Rust removal products are everywhere, and Nexa Rust Remover Spray promises fast, chemical-free cleaning. But does it really work, or is it just hype? Let's find out. The spray claims to dissolve rust on metal tools, automotive parts, and household items without scrubbing. Users report that, on light to moderate rust, it works surprisingly well, leaving surfaces smoother and ready for painting or protection. It's simple to apply. Spray, wait 10 to 15 minutes, and wipe off the residue. What's impressive is its versatility. Nexa works on iron, steel, chrome, and even some alloys, making it suitable for DIY projects, bikes, and old tools. It's also water-based, reducing harsh chemical odors compared to traditional rust removers. However, there are some caveats. On heavily corroded items, the spray often requires multiple applications or additional scrubbing. Some users also mention that it may leave a residue that needs rinsing to avoid stickiness. Price-wise, Nexa is reasonable for occasional use, but frequent users might find it a bit costly compared to bulk chemical alternatives. Overall, the product is legit, effective on most everyday rust problems, and safe for casual DIYers. Verdict: Nexa Rust Remover Spray is a reliable, easy-to-use option for small rust removal projects. It's not a miracle solution for extreme corrosion, but for household or light automotive use, it delivers on its promises.